Welcome. In this session, we will learn mv command. Mv command is used to move the file or directory from one location to another location and to rename the files or directory. First, we will see that to move the file from one location to another location. Here we have two directories, test1 and virtumentor directory. So here we will move some files first from test1 to virtumentor directory. Here we have file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4 and test2 directory. Here we'll move the file 3 to the virtumentor directory. mv file 3 to virtumentor directory. So when we move the file from one location to another location, that file from the source locations get moved to the destination and the file present in only on destination location. So here we'll see that our file 3 has been moved to the virtumentor directory. Okay, and we'll see that virtumentor directory will have the file 3. While moving the file from one location to another location, we can also rename the file. So here we have the file 4 mv file 4 virtumentor. Now we can specify the name of the file, that could be anything. So I'll provide the file 5 which is not present in the virtumentor directory. So in this case we have moved a file and renamed as well. We'll do the ls command. So here file 1, 2, 3 and 5 is present. So now we'll move the directories. Here we have the test2 directory. So we'll move the test2 directory to the virtumentor. So same command is mv test2 space virtumentor. So in this case test2 directory has been moved to the virtumentor and here is the output of the virtumentor directory. So now we will learn to rename the directory. So in this directory we have a test1 and test2 directories. So once we rename, that data will remains the same under the directories. cd test1. Here we have file 1, 2, 3, 4 and test2 directory present in the test1 directory. So we'll come back and we rename the test1 to another name, mv test1 to test3. So I am renaming test1 directory to test3 directory, and here is the output of this. So now test2 and test3 directories are present, and important thing is that the data is remains same under the renamed directory. You can see here. So here you can see that test1 directory and the test3 directories have the same content. So this is the way we rename and move the files from one directory to another directory using the mv command. Thank you.